Let's learn today how to decompress your neck to get instant pain relief. This is going to be very useful for neck pain patients. As you all know, in cervical radiculopathy there is nerve root compression causing radiating pain in the upper limb. This can be due to disc herniation, prolapse, or degenerative bones. And one thing we should note here is pain might be felt in different regions, in different patients. This is because of the dermatome distribution. For example, if C7 nerve root is involved, numbness might be felt in the index and middle finger, while pain might be in the neck or arm region. Similarly, if C5 region is involved, numbness and pain will be felt in the arm region. So by looking at the symptom distribution, you can get an idea where the problem is actually lying. Spinal decompression not only helps relieve pain but also helps in healing by more influx of nutrients and oxygen in the disc, and therefore it is recommended to decompress the nerve before starting the strengthening exercises. Let's learn how to perform decompression at home. In the first technique, take a thin towel and hold its both ends. Keep it on the occiput bone. Now, with the chin tuck maintained, pull the towel in slight forward and upward direction so as to create a distraction force in the neck. You should feel an immediate stretch followed by relief in the neck region and the radiating symptoms. Keep it maintained for 1 to 2 minutes. For one-sided effect, you can do the same technique while keeping the neck bent to one side. Always remember to bend the neck opposite to the painful side. In second technique, you have to be in the kneeling position with hands supported on the couch. The towel hold remains the same, and now you have to just try sitting back on the heels while the distraction is maintained. Remember to maintain the chin tuck and maintain this position for 1 to 2 minutes. You can perform these techniques at home, and if in any case the pain increases when you do it, immediately stop doing it and you will need a professional advice in this case. Thanks for watching.